Hi, today I've heard of new REALME GT NEO 3T and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's launch the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. If you want to log out from Gmail account in Gmail app, we should first log out from Google account on our device, and to do that we should click to manage accounts on this device, click to your account and tap on the right upper corner to these three dots. Then click to remove account and confirm to remove the account. Now in Google account settings we can see that we just log out successfully from the Google account. So let's go back to the application and we can see that we also log out successfully from the Gmail app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.